just want to go on a walk. It's crazy, but I should take off my shoes. Like, I should completely ground myself. But I just have to record this because, dude, this is beautiful. I haven't been outside in the rain. Like, when I was a kid, I would be outside all the time in the rain, and I would love to be outside, but everybody just wanted to go inside. But I'm like, no, I want to go outside. I want to stay outside. Okay, but it's low-key cold. Ugh, it's so uncomfortable. It's cold, it's cold. I didn't bring a jacket. This was not in my plan stand. God, it's cold. Ooh. I don't live on the farm. Oh God. Man. Oh my God. Let me just put you all the way back here. That was a lot. This is giving me more flashbacks to when I was in the car with my little cousin and we were making videos. And we were like, oh no, the car won't open. Like, let us out. If I have the video, maybe I'll post it. I have to have this video somewhere. Anyways, so my heart's pounding. So I'm not even gonna explain what this location is, but just know something happened at this location. Something happened at this location, and I am set free, dude. I sound crazy, but let me sound crazy. Because it's like, your mind is this big, but if you know more, you know more. If somebody knows more than you, and you only know this much and you only accept this much, you're not going to get this much of what you actually want, because this much that what you want exists, but your mind is only here and it's small. So hey, I don't know if it's small though. I'm not saying yours is small, but just that's what they say. That's what they say. Anywho, I gotta go home. I gotta go home. I'm going to actually, what was I gonna do? I have to make something good to eat. Come on, Morgana, remember. Come on, Morgana, remember. Remember, come on. Oh, eggs. Ooh, with dragon fruit and pomegranate. That's what I wrote down on my thing. See, look, I'm a visual person. Write it down, it's gonna happen. Because I can see it in my brain. Oh, see? If you take time to yourself, no. Maybe because I know something. But this, other people know this too. It's not just me. This weekend, my cousin, actually the one I was talking about earlier, oh my god, her dad is getting married. Ooh. And I'm gonna go. I'm not really close to that family, but like a wedding, that sounds fun. Like I want to go do something. Like this is like interesting. But I have to find an outfit for that. That's a whole other thing. But yeah. So my cousin's dad is getting married. So that's Saturday. And then this Friday, I'm going to the movie theaters. I'm actually gonna go with my siblings. And I haven't seen them in a while because I've been trying to get, so yeah, so I could be around my family. Yeah.